there lovely people, big warm welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing really well on this fine day. I mean, it's not actually a fine day at all. It's absolutely hideous outside. I feel like it's been raining for about a week. I mean, my friends were saying this to each other this morning. I feel like it hasn't stopped raining since Christmas. And you know what, if you're a subscriber, you'll know I love the rain. I love it. I love sitting inside and watching the rain outside. But even I've hit my limit now. That is saying something. But anyway, welcome back to my channel. How is everybody? If you are new, then hi, welcome. Thank you for choosing to watch. My name is Ellie. I am a mum of 2 boys and I upload videos 3 times a week all about general mum life and also a lot of cleaning, a lot of housework, chores, routines, that kind of thing. Every Monday is Motivation Monday, where I get you motivated for the week by either cleaning or organising or something along those lines. But yeah, click subscribe before you go. That would mean so much. But today's video is all about B&M. So I went down there the other day. If you watched my vlog, you'll know because I was vlogging. I went down there the other day and I thought, it's January. Let's snap out of these January blues by aimlessly walking the B&M aisles. It just works, doesn't it? You can't go to B&M with any kind of agenda. And I went with 0 agenda. I just thought, I'll see what there is. And I actually got some really cool bits. Cool. Am I 12? I got some great bits. I haven't unpacked anything. This has all stayed in the bags on the chair that I'm currently sat on. So there's no order or anything to these bags. I'm literally just gonna lucky dip as I always do when I do a haul, to be honest. Welcome to my channel. There's a lot of cleaning, there's some storage, there's some snacks, there's just, yeah, I'll just get on with it. Okay, first things first. Got myself some foaming toilet cleaner. Now I have used a toilet foam before, but it has not been the pink stuff. I think the one that I've used before was Dr. Beckman. Has anyone used that one? I'm pretty sure that's the one I used before. And yep, it was fine, but this one I have seen over a lot of reels recently and it seems particularly foamy. And I do love the pink stuff in general as a brand, so I don't see why I wouldn't like this. So basically you get 3 sachets in here and you pour the powder into the toilet bowl and it foams up. And it's supposed to give it a real deep clean. It's supposed to really help with limescale buildup. You leave it for 10 minutes, then you give it a scrub and you flush it away. So I haven't used it yet. All 3 sachets are still in here. But look out for my reels, look out for my cleaning vids because I'm gonna use it really soon. How much was this? You're gonna wanna know, aren't you? Guys, I don't know where my receipt is. Oh, no, it is actually here. £2.29. There you go. Not bad for 3 sachets. It's like less than £1 each, isn't it? Okay, this. Now, I actually want to look at the receipt for this because the label says £3, but it was in, you know, B&M sometimes has like this random aisle where it's just a huge mismatch of things. They're all like reduced, like some random sale aisle, and sometimes it says manager's choice. You know? So anyway, on the label it said £3, but on the manager's choice sticker it said like £1. So how much actually was this? I mean, did I pay for it at all? Is it even on here? £3. Manager's choice, my... But you know what, anyway, I wanted to get it anyway because I'm getting it for a specific reason, so it's cool. I'll let it go. So, in the morning, if you have boys, you will know that when you style their hair in the morning to go to school, especially my Leo, like his hair, he wakes up with the worst bed hair. It's here, it's there, it's everywhere. And sometimes like you need to wet it before you put any product in it because it's just crazy. And I just kind of like get him next to the sink and just use my hand and wet it down. And he hates it. I don't blame him. So I saw this and thought, do you know what? I'll keep this in the downstairs loo, fill it with water, and then I can just give him a little spritz when I do his hair in the morning. He will probably be horrified, but I like him to look smart, you know what I mean? Well, it's better than me, you know, patting him down with a bit of water. Anyway, if you're a fellow boy mum, you'll know the bed hair situation. So that is for a specific purpose, so I don't really mind that it was £3. I mean, £3 is still fine, isn't it? These are for Clint. When he gets home tomorrow, that'll be a little surprise. I'll put them out for him. These are toffee pops. I had never heard of toffee pops in my life. I don't know whether it's like a northern thing because he's from up north. But to be fair, they are incredible. When he introduced me to them years ago, I was sold immediately, and Leo loves them as well. They're like, they've got like biscuit on the bottom, and they've got this like toffee caramel gooey bit, and then chocolate on the top. But there's nothing quite like them. They're like soft, the biscuit's quite soft, it's not crunchy. They're just great. Really random, but whenever I see them in B&M, I grab them for him because I know he loves them. And then for me, I got mini eggs, guys. I nearly didn't pick these up. I saw them and it's, you know, there was all sorts of eggs. And I thought, it's January, like January. Can I really do this? I thought that for like a millisecond, and then I picked them up and put them in the trolley, obviously, because they're mini eggs and they're incredible. And I don't really care if it's January because they're so good. And I have to hide these from Leo, or he'll want to eat them all. I always get paranoid of him eating mini eggs. I'm definitely not Cooper. I wouldn't give these to Cooper. But even with Leo, like he's 5 now, and I would still break these in half because I just think they're the same shape as a grape, aren't they? Like, they just make me a bit paranoid. I don't know, maybe I'm crazy. Right, this, okay. This is the Escape Diffuser from B&M. So they have a few different ones, different names, a bit like in Next, I suppose. But this is Escape. This smells so good. Serious White Company vibes. It smells really premium, really good. And I'm gonna put this in the downstairs loo because I currently have a gingerbread man diffuser in there, and he's so sweet and he smells so good, but you know, it's like mid-January now and he's gotta go. So I got this one to freshen it up a bit for Jan. £4, and it lasts ages, especially in a small room like the downstairs loo. It lasts weeks and weeks. Definitely worth it. Oh, got myself a new flash spray. So I have been obviously using a lot of seasonal cleaning products at the moment, and I don't want to be wasteful, so I didn't just chuck them away when Christmas ended. I've still been using my seasonal cleaning products, but I'm pretty much out now. I think the last bottle is pretty much empty. And then I saw this and I thought crisp lemon. That is a really good choice for like January, I think. We're starting fresh, kind of. I mean, I've had a bit of a sluggish one, but I'm getting there. And yeah, just likes the sound of crisp lemon. It's not a Hinch one. Spray wipe done. Not spray wipe Hinch, but still, I'm sure it's great. Got myself a roll-on deodorant. That's not very exciting. But you know what? I think I need to change my deodorant. I think that these ones like irritate me a little bit, but I just kind of buy it out of habit. I did used to use that refillable one, that wild one. I might go back to using that because I think this one does anyone else get irritation from this deodorant? But they continue to buy it out of habit, or is that just me? I'm sure you really wanted to know about my armpits. You're welcome. I got some washing machine cleaner. I like to clean my washing machine every now and then, and I hadn't seen this one before. This is the Fabulosa washing machine cleaner in fragrance Snuggly. I mean, that just sounded perfect for a washing machine, Snuggly. So I'm gonna give that a go. Again, look out for my cleaning reels, my cleaning videos. I will give this a go soon and give the washing machine a little TLC. Odor eliminating, gives it a good clean, kills 99.9% of viruses and bacteria. Yeah, cool. Oh, I keep forgetting to tell you how much things are. I'm so sorry. £1. It's £1. What a bargain. Got myself some toilet discs. How many times have I talked about cistern blocks on my videos? I know they're not the best, okay? I know they're not the best for your toilet. I know that they like mess up the cistern or whatever, but guys, I just enjoy them, okay? I love having a flush that's bright blue. It makes the toilet feel cleaner, especially when you live with boys. Okay. I've tried the ones that like clip on to the toilet. I hate them. They just breed bacteria, I think, and then they leave a mark on the bowl. Yeah, just no hate. I just like a toilet block, okay? I might stop one day when I find an alternative, but for now, I'm still very much into them. £1 for 6 as well. Don't know how long those ones will last compared to the more expensive ones, but... And seeing as I got the Fabulosa washing machine cleaner, I may as well get the Fabulosa dishwasher cleaner. I love a dishwasher cleaner. They're so easy to use. So you just buy the bottle like this and you just take off the tab on the top. You pop it upside down on the top shelf of your dishwasher and you just put it on a hot cycle. Obviously don't have anything in the dishwasher. It's as easy as that, and then it looks pristine and it smells so good. It's worth doing every few weeks. I would say it maintains your washing machine and helps it perform better. There you go. And I'm pretty sure that was £1 as well. Yeah, £1. I got these for the boys. Not very exciting, but we're just really low on hangers for some reason, both of them. And I've realised I bought like a much girlier range of colours, and then those range of colours I'll give those to Cooper in case Leo kicks off. I normally get these lovely like black velvet ones from Amazon, but you know what, they are quite expensive, and these were £3.50 for 10. You know what I mean? Also with Coopy, like where he's grown, he used to have like the baby hangers, you know, they're like that long, and now all his t-shirts and things just slip off them where he's a big boy now, so we need some bigger hangers, as much as it hurts to say. I got some new microfiber cloths. I always use pink for the sink and blue for the loo, and this was a good one because there's 2 pinks and 3 blues, so that's ideal. And then the random orange and green I'll just use for like dusting or kitchen surfaces. So that was a really good range of colours I thought in there for me. And I might have a little refresh and look through my cloths and decide which ones it might be time to go. They've served me well, but some of my cloths are looking a bit threadbare now. And I got some tumble dryer sheets. I always get the same scent tumble dryer sheets, the Lenore Spring Awakening ones, because they just smell great. There's a few reasons to use a tumble dryer sheet. One is obviously the smell. Everything comes out smelling really fresh and lovely rather than like that hot smell that you can get from a tumble dryer. I also think they help with the softness, especially with towels and things, and it gets rid of static. You know when you get certain things out of the tumble dryer and it's like having an electric shock? These take that away. So yeah, though, how much were those? £2. £2 for 34. More treats for Clint. I got him some Seabrook beefies. Not really an exciting story to go with these. He just really likes a Seabrook beefy, and when I see them, I grab them for him. Are you ready for my star buy? So, for about 10 years, well, no, not 10 years, because I haven't lived in this house for 10 years, but for a very long time, I have been wanting to organise underneath my sink. It's a busy area. It's where I put all of my cleaning products, cloths, anything to do with cleaning really. It's all under the sink, and it's not that big an area, and I just feel like I let myself down with the under sink organisation. And then I keep seeing these reels where it just looks so good, and this storage is amazing. So this was in the special buy aisle, you know, that random aisle that I was just talking about. I don't think this one was a manager's choice. It's just a special buy. These are great. So £2.50. I love an acrylic organizer, clear acrylic, simple, clean, love it. But can you see it's like open in the front? But the best thing about this, so it's £2.50 for one, but the best thing about it is they are stackable. So I got myself 4 stackable ones, and I can see them now under my sink, full of cloths and sponges and minkies and what have you, and it's gonna look great, but I still need a few more things. But this has got me on a really good path. I was so excited when I saw those. I literally bought them all. There were 4 on the shelf and I bought all 4, so sorry to anyone else who's hoping now to go down and buy them. They're probably all gone. That was my star buy. And you know, this is the thing, when Clinton saw the bags, he picked this up and he was like, what the hell is this? Why do we need this? I was like, excuse me, that's my star buy, thank you. So lots of things to look out for from today's haul. I am gonna organise under my sink this month if it kills me. Lots of new cleaning things I want to try, etc, etc. There you go, guys. That was my January B&M haul. I loved it as always. It's like a highlight of my month to pop down there and aimlessly wander through those aisles. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you're having an okay January. January can be a bit, you know, a word that I can't say on here because YouTube will tell me off, but January can be a bit like that. I've definitely had some wobbles, especially at the beginning of the month, but we're halfway through. We're nearly halfway through January, and spring is like there. It's just around the corner, so keep going. Well, thank you so much for watching today's video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new, and I will see you in my next video.